breakfast of choice. I have pumpernickel bread toasted with a lot of peanut butter because I love peanut butter. And sliced bananas. I love this in the morning if I don't eat my Oreo cookie. No, I'm sorry, it's not Oreo cookie. Duh. If I don't eat my... Hi everyone. When I come across a recipe that I like, I promise I'm going to go ahead and send it to you or do a video of them, of the recipes. But here I want to show you, I'm doing baked chicken, but I'm doing it a little bit different. So give me 1 second. Alrighty, these are the ingredients: garlic powder, oregano leaves, lemon pepper, and chicken seasoning. It's all-purpose chicken seasoning. What I did was, of course, I washed my chicken first in cold water, washed it up, you know, the blood off and everything else, pat it dry, and then I sprinkled all of this on the front and backs of the chicken. So here it is so far, and right now I'm at the part where I'm going to turn each piece over. Didn't get the full version. Here we are. Didn't want to come off the fork. That one. So you only cooked on this side so far. And this one. And what I'll do is I'll put it back into the oven and let this side cook. And then I'll show you what the finishing, what I put on after it's cooked all the way. So I'll be back. Alrighty guys. This is Jagacida. And for all those Cape Verdeans, it's rice, onions, and lima beans. I love lima beans. So it's mixed up together, and with onions as well. So the last portion of the chicken, I will come back and let you know. You just cook the rice like you normally do, and then the lima beans like you normally do, frozen or fresh, doesn't matter. And then make sure you put the onions in with the water. I'm sorry, the onions in as well. Once you get the lima beans and the rice together, you want to put some butter in there and a little bit of salt. And some people put pepper, but it's delicious. You can eat it by itself. So the chicken is almost done. So I'll make sure I put the camera on that so you can see it. And I'll be back. That's too funny. Ah, you actually see me. I didn't know I pressed it, so I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do... Oh, wait, hold on. Let me stop. While the jag is cooking, I will... let me turn this off. Okay, I had a movie playing. So while the jag is cooking... Jagacida is cooking, that is. Let's see, I'm going to turn it down because it's fine, it's good. I'm going to take out the chicken. And what I love to do at this point is, since it's smoking hot, my barbecue sauce. So just I'll do that. That. Each one. Wonderful. And then I'll spread it a little bit. Yes, I use the same fork for the Jag. Sorry. But spread it around. Spread it. And then I'm going to turn it over. I sprayed the pan with Pam, so it should lift right on off. That's just the Pam and the that you see at the bottom of the pan. And so, oh, I need this glove. Get that going. These babies are done. I just want to warm up my sauce and put it back in for like maybe a couple of minutes by the time hubby will be home. So the food would be ready. Ooh, that's pretty good. That fell right off of that fork like that. And now this one, turn over. And I'm going to come back with another coat of barbecue sauce. It's a new bottle. Well, I just opened it. But I have more, just in case you run out. Okay. Oh. And I'll just put it back in the stove for a couple more seconds. I'll bring it down because I have it on F400, so you can see that. And I'm going to bring it down a little bit. About 350. And like I said, only going to take a little bit. Just a few minutes for the barbecue sauce to warm up because it was in the refrigerator. Okay. So we're all set for dinner right now. I'm going to make a little salad. And we're done. We're good. If you want the recipe, I can always write it in an email or write it down below this video. Okay guys, I am done and I will show you the chicken now. It's just an easy meal. Such an easy meal, really. So I'm going to turn this around. Okay. So here's the chicken. New barbecue chicken. And like I said, I'm going to do a salad. And we're going to have some water. It's always good to have water with your meal. As a matter of fact, I'm going to have 2 glasses before I eat. I know they say an hour before, but I'm hungry. So, I'll, show you the finished product on the plate as well. So we're almost at the end. You just sit down and eat it. Bye-bye. Before I demolish the rest of my breakfast, I did want to let you all know that with my tea, I have my pumpernickel bread toasted with a lot of peanut butter. Love peanut butter in the morning. And sliced bananas. It's so funny. I meant to show you earlier, but that's my breakfast too. When I don't eat the oatmeal cookie that I showed you last week. But I've been eating this lately. It's filling, and it'll last me till about 1 o'clock or whatever, and then I take a little snack, and then I have dinner, which you'll see what I made last night for dinner. And there's my tea, the true raspberry tea with Splenda because I'm out of Truvia.